The United Nations Humanitarian Office has now accused Israel of denying access to deliver key aid, humanitarian aid, to northern Gaza on a day when it has launched multiple rockets in Khan Younis in the Gaza Strip, resulting in massive Palestinian civilian casualties. The United Nations Humanitarian Office has said that the Israeli authorities are systematically denying it access to northern Gaza to deliver aid, significantly hindering humanitarian operations.
We do not have to forget that we still have something between 300,000 or 400,000 people in the north. And the north and the operations in the north have become increasingly more complicated. We had systematic refusal from the Israeli side of our effort to get there, to access the north. In normal circumstances, we would notify the parties that we are going to a place to deliver assistance. In this case, we are forced to coordinate because there are checkpoints that we can simply not go through.
On Friday, thick plumes of smoke could be seen rising in Khan Younis after Israel conducted strikes in the Gaza Strip. After an Israeli air bombing targeted a home in Khan Younis, the injured Palestinians, amongst them many children, were rushed into the Al-Nasser hospital. The Palestinian health officials say that Israel's latest attacks in Gaza have killed at least about 151 people, including 11 members of a family in a house. Residents reported continued aerial and ground bombardment across Gaza from Israel, which has come under growing pressure to limit the number of civilian casualties. At the European hospital in Khan Younis, Palestinians, including members of the Shat family, gathered to mourn the death of their loved ones who were killed in the Israeli strike. According to Gaza's health ministry, the Palestinian death toll by Israeli bombings is now gone well past 23,700. But at least about 60,000 Palestinians being grievously wounded, maimed or mutilated because of this Israeli rampage. Meanwhile, a small group of Palestinians marched through the streets of Ramallah after attending the Friday prayers in protest called by Hamas to denounce Israel's 7th of October attack.
كل الشعوب العربية في محور المقاومة كل التحية لجبل عامل.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.